Wala pa.
We're down to our last 6 cases.
Yeah, we're doing it 3 at a time.
4 cases. So far we got 2
we
retro
started
packs.
the first time with the Bulls. We start another Bull.
Bullshit. Ay, ano? Yeah.
Derrick Rose.
Derrick Rose.
Rubio.
Oh
my God.
Quentin
Richardson.
Oh my God. Buchachik on the back. Come on, give us something.
Okay, so this has to be a different card. Oh no, it's not.
Jersey yan.
No.
What's the other? It's I think it's a rookie card. Oh, who's that? Dante Green.
Whoever he is, he doesn't even play anymore, I think.
He does. Sacramento
He's
Kings.
doing well.
Oh,
The
he's doing
Sacramento
well.
Kings. He's doing well. But not well enough for them to win. They're on a losing skid
Because
since
because of
Marcus
Tyreek.
returned.
Yes.
Really?
He's not playing well with Tyreek.
Calderon.
James Harden.
Oh my God.
Hoy!
Yao Ming, number 250.
Come on, give us something nice. What's that?
Josh Smith.
Tyreek. Nice.
Come on, something nice.
No more because we all got the good ones already.
I know.
Parker go.
Oh.
Come on, saving grace.
Saving grace.
The last box of the case.
Saving grace. Save us.
Saving grace.
Come on, one retro.
Or one dual logo man.
Yeah, one dual logo man of Jordan and LeBron, please, so that we can rest.
Tiger Woods pa lang at saka Jordan, wala pa tayo eh.
At least we have the Tiger Woods.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, I think the next one must be really good. Huh?
Oh no.
Oh, Johnson.
No, it's not.
Regular card on the middle.
Okay, so the next card should be good because it's a
Yeah.
weird arrangement.
Yeah.
Oh,
rookie
patch! I told you, it's a saving grace.
Jordan.
Make it black. Oh, oh fuck! Fuck! Come on!
It's another 3-color
Is this real? Oh my God! 6 Gretzky.
No, 5.
Officially 6. No.
6.
We pulled twice, 2 before, and then 2 last night.
Okay.
Remember? You kept 1, I sold 1, then we pulled 2 last night, then 2 another 2 now.
Yes.
6
Nice.
out of the 25.
Yep.
Look
Very
at
nice.
that. Oh my God.
Why can't we get 6 out of the how many Jordans?
Yeah.
6 out of the 23 Jordan.
How many Jordans we
I
pulled?
don't remember. Anyway,
Hey.
come on, let's start.
Yeah.
Let's go with the
My
sober guy.
side.
Sober guy.
Oh, yes.
Ilan pa sa'yo?
I at save. Gretzky.
Tama.
Pangalawang case yan, di ba? Tama, di ba?
Tama.
Sa timer mo, pangalawang case yan, di ba?
Ano naman pala to? Second pala to.
Kasi parang sabi ko, ba't parang mali
Sam
lang?
Young. Numbered pieces.
Oh,
Oy,
Dwight Howard.
Number 12.
Oy.
First
time.
We're used to seeing Kevin Love eh.
Or Jeff
Green. Oh, yes. That's
First time we pulled, it's number to 12. So
That's true.
it's nice, huh?
Amare.
We're used to seeing Kevin Love.
Where is the love? Where is
blue ring
the
kasi siya eh, di ba?
love?
Jordan. Hill.
Jordan Hill.
Uy.
Wait, why is it?
Iba oh.
Patch. Gold.
Hindi,
gold.
Ano? Hindi, number 2 10, no?
Gold
It's a
patch.
patch. Gold patch.
But may number 2 10, may number 25.
But I don't think.
Pare, back
The
to back
number
na
10
Gretzky.
is patch.
Oy, talk and text up by 2.
Come on!
Pare, mo retro to ah.
Retro night again. And
Oy,
this-
only.
Hey, what happened?
Yeah.
We kulang.
5 cards only, huh?
Yung unti oh.
Oh, it's supposed to be
Maybe
6.
2 redemption cards.
Ricky Rubio.
No, there's a redemption, so it's 6 total.
Uy.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Joe Lugs ah.
Carmelo. Bad case, huh?
The
Bad.
injured.
Wait.
Tyreek again!
Oh,
Wow, third Tyreek tonight.
And then a rookie.
Hey, saving grace.
Rookie of
Courtney
Courtney
Lee.
Lee.
Saving grace. Saving grace.
Let's see if the last box again of this case is the same. Oh, you do the toast again.
Oh,
ah.
saving grace.
1, 2, 3. Tama. Akin ba hinto? Sa kay John hinto. Ito yung last. Tapos katay sa next. Kasi parang mali yung bilang
Tama.
ko kanina eh. Come on!
Diba? May isa ka pa.
6 case.
Oh my golly, wow. There's
Why?
another
Rookie?
one. Maybe. We don't.
Wow.
I told you! It's the saving grace always.
They won. It's Summers.
Oh, wait. No.
You almost fell down, ha?
No.
This, that's
Why?
the patch, the thick one.
Ray Allen.
Ah, no, it's a patch.
It's a patch.
Ay,
a
hindi.
thick one. Make it nice. Oh, Boston!
Celtics.
All Boston. Come on, make it all Boston. All Boston. All Boston at
One
the
of
back.
three.
The legends. Come on.
Oh, let's see.
Give us the legends.
The legends.
Oh,
No.
the Bulls!
Oh, the Bulls.
Bulls.
Oh, it's the...
Wow! Look at Tyrus Thomas patch.
The horn.
The face.
No, the face of
The
the
face
Bulls.
of the bull.
The nose.
The face of the bullshit.
Wow.
It's a bullshit!
That's a nice patch.
And
Number
it's
2.
1 of 3.
One of three.
Medyo okay na rin.
Good, good.
That's
One more?
good, ha?
Oh, this is
Yeah,
a
one more case.
this is a CISO battle. 84-83.
One more case, third case na yan.
Ano nga?
Ha?
Ilan pa yung case yan?
Oh, tapos tatlo na yung
Oh, dalawa
matitira.
dito.
Tama yan.
Tama, ito yung last
Dalawa
ng
naman
second
dito.
batch. Ito nga yung last ng second batch.
Two there, then one
May
more.
dalawa pa dito.
Ah, do you have 2 more? Okay. Okay, whatever.
Oh, this is the 6 case.
Loser.
Another like this.
I think...
Oh!
Wow, it's the third, ha?
Oh!
Samyang.
The one.
Bloody back.
Bloody
Oh
hell.
my God.
Bloody hell. Kmart.
Kmart.
Come on. The Pachi.
Jamal.
Let's have a boost.
Pachi.
Jordan patch. Oh no.
Oh!
But
Okay,
let's-
Mac.
Let's just hope the patches are good.
Yeah,
3
so
of
far
3.
good. Oh, all good.
Drexler
the
and
legends. The legends at the back.
Drexler and
It's
Olajuwon.
all Houston.
All Houston.
Scola.
Aaron Brooks.
Mutombo and Landry.
Uy, nice.
Combo, nice siya. The legends and the kids.
And the-
The new kids on the block and the legends.
The Rockets are winning,
Houston
ah.
Rockets.
Really? Without
Yes.
McGrady?
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Did they
McGrady will go to what now?
They
Inebra?
say they're going to
Inebra next
Washington.
For Gilbert?
Come on.
Mo
Same.
Williams.
For Javaris Gidenton.
Come on. Oh.
Noble nameplates. Oh, bloody hell. It's our third.
Bloody shit. Oh, it's a patch. Come on.
Patch.
Oh, Michael Red.
Michael Red.
Ang ganda ng patch, oh.
Nice.
Letter
Oh.
D.
Letter
Of
what?
the box.
R.
B of the box.
B of the box?
Hmm.
Ah, yeah.
B
Oh,
ba yan?
B, yeah.
Hmm.
Nice one.
D1 Blair.
Come on. Saving Grace.
Oh,
Yun
it's
the
a
last
rookie.
What's that?
Oh!
Look
Sonny
at that.
Williams,
Oh, he's
Oh,
playing.
he's doing well, huh?
Oh, he's playing.
Sonny
Look
Williams
at
is
the
doing
patch.
well. Look at the patch. Oh my God. Nice
Nice.
one, huh?
What's the last word?
It's a base
Carmelo
card.
Anthony.
Mel.
Grace, boy. Saving Grace.
Saving Grace. Come on. Save us.
Alam
Rookie
mo kung maganda
patch.
lahat, dapat bawat ganun, tinataktak mo na eh.
Rookie auto patch of Crosby. Yeah, because we have 2 Gretzky already.
How about the Jordan again?
Not bad. Jordan will do. Another Jordan will do.
No.
No?
He's not a good huh?
Old guy, Saki.
Eric Minor.
Oh, Abdul Jabbar.
Kareem.
umulan ng ganun.
Oh, it's a patch. Come on, make it nice patch.
Uy, ganda.
Oh.
Portland.
Oh, no, please
Philadelphia.
don't beat LPR.
Philadelphia eh.
Uy,
Ano?
letter E.
Philadelphia.
oh.
Letter E.
Oh,
Iverson.
Sixers.
Thaddeus Young.
Elton Brand.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Among them, siya yung
Thaddeus Young
okay.
is better because
Pero
he's
sobrang
doing
ganda ng
well.
sobrang
Pero
ganda ng patch, pare.
Javi mas ito. Uy,
Brad
Brandon
Another
Jennings.
Jennings.
Okay.
Pare, ang ganda ng patch.
Paul Pierce. I don't think.
Uy, 1 of 1.
It can't be the 1 of 1. We already got the 1 of 1.
Oh.
It was a redemption 1 of 1.
Kati-kati.
We forgot.
This is the E of the Sixers.
Ah, yes.
We forgot when we
Last
were
week.
last week the 6 cases.
1 of 1 is a redemption.
One of the redemption
Oh.
was Paul
Yes.
Pierce 1 of 1.
Yeah.
The regular
Ooh.
auto.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're cutting
Okay,
to our last
last
one.
batch
You will
after
see
this.
it in like tomorrow. It will be posted.
Posted.